Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It is the 28th of August, 2019. We just got done breaking Archives Baseball. We're going to do some personal boxes now. We have 2 boxes of new Absolute Football just released today for Vilsent. So, Vilsent, we wish you the best of luck. We'll see what you get. First look at this stuff. Our breaks are tomorrow and Friday. First Absolute breaks. So let's see what we got. Pulling fire tonight. Trout auto out of Archives. Ichiro auto. One of the best cases I've seen of that product. All right. 3 inner packs on each box. Good luck, Vilsent. Let's see. Oh, they stayed with the clear packs. Look at that. You out there, Vilsent? Don't know if Vilsent's still around. He and Tyler might be talking shop. All right, Vilsent, good luck. We're using Bob's block on a personal box. First peek at Absolute Football. Winston base. We have a Gronk, number to 100. Gridiron Force. 11 of 100. We have a Jonathan Abrams, also numbered to, that is to 199 on that one. And we have an Irv Smith. Look at this. These look great. Triple Relic, rookie auto to 99. There you go, Vilsent. Somebody type in something. I don't see anything in chat. You guys are creeping me out. Go, Vilsent. Reboot my chat. And then a 2 of 25 Baker Mayfield. That is an emerald. Very nice parallel, Vilsent. Super short printed Baker. Love it. Kid Reporter, you could win, Vilsent. You didn't doze off, Chuck. Did you see that break? That was exciting. Only 5 cards per pack, so we'll go card by card here. Chubb and Howard, base. And we've got a War Room jersey. Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. War Room jersey. There's Vilsent. There is our guy, Vilsent. And we have a Cleveland Furl, 4th pick in the draft. 2 of 75, also for the Raiders. A Raiders hot box. Cleveland Furl. And to 75, Noah Fant rookie, gold. Be some fun breaks tomorrow. Doing a 6-box case of this. Doing some Chronicles baseball. Doing 5-star. Mixing it with Archives. That'll be fun. D-Hop. And then we have a Drew Lock numbered to 10. Introductions gold. 1 of 10. Nice rookie gold. Vilsent. Nice short prints. And we've got a Matthew Stafford jersey. That is the Air Raid. Great looking set. To 199. Very military looking. Matt Stafford. And for the Eagles, look at this. Nelson Aguilar. Football jersey auto. Dual relic. 5 of 30. The ever popular tools of the trade. Been out for years and years and years. Philly. Nelson Aguilar. And we've got a parallel to 25. Earl Thomas. Earl Thomas. It's like 5 cards per pack. Andy, what we do, we sell spots. Like the last break, there was 21 spots. We had 12 single teams and then 9 double teams. We gave away a free spot as well. Everyone gets a team. We use random.org to decide what team you get, and any cards that come out for that team, like autographs or numbered cards, they ship to you for free. So it's not really a raffle. Everyone pays the same amount. We randomize, and everyone gets a team. So then you root for your team and all that good stuff. And sometimes we do it where if we have 20 autos, we'll randomize the autographs. Everyone gets 2 autographs or something like that. So have a lot of different ways we do it. 35 of 50, but no, it is definitely not a raffle. Definitely not a raffle. 35 of 50. Big Ben diving for the end zone or something. It can, but generally people are very leery of those. Try. Tools of the Trade short print Baker Mayfield. That is a glove and dual jersey relic. 17 of 25. A couple Bakers to 25 so far for Vilsent. They really changed the design on these this year. They made them look great. Last year's absolute, not the best design. These are really good. 4 of 30 blue parallel. Josh Jacobs rookie auto. Raiders hot box continues. Josh Jacobs. Congrats, Vilsent. And our kid reporter, along with Matt Stafford to 100. Yeah, the canvas look is cool. They absolutely are, because they're certified. The card manufacturers will certify the autograph. Now, if you get it signed at a show and they stamp it, authentic, that's a different story. But generally, I would say people are very leery of that. And if they're personalized, if they say to try, well, they're not worth as much because people want their own name on it or something else. I'm going to turn this over, Vilsent. Don't want the code to get out. This is going to be 250 Panini points going to you, Vilsent. 250 Panini points. You can redeem that at their website. Team Tandem, Ezekiel Elliott and Tony Pollard. They're both very popular subjects now in fantasy football. To 199. There you go, Vilsent. Dual jersey. And we've got a Case Keenum to 100. Case Keenum. All right, your last pack here, Vilsent. And then we'll move on to Soupy next. Have to go get those boxes. Griffin, the Seahawks. Team Tandem to 75. Team Trio for the Ravens. Lamar Jackson, Mark Ingram, and Hayden Hurst. We've got to 199, Alex Barnes. That's 199. Put that over there. Oh, mama. Vilsent, you had some success, sir. Daniel Jones, RPA. 36 of 99. Look at this. Rookie Premier Materials. Woo. Daniel Jones. Vilsent killing it. Josh Jacobs, Daniel Jones, a couple Bakers, and a partridge and a pear tree. Oh, man. Rashawn Gary to 100 is your final card, Vilsent. Rashawn Gary. There you go, Vilsent. That was it. We'll start Soupy's box next. We'll be right back.